Do you want to know how to style your hair straight out of the shower? I got that for you coming up. What's up, y'all? It's Deanne from Fit and Strong, and today I'm going to show you how to style your curly hair straight out of the shower. I took a shower and my hair is wet, so we're gonna move into the mirrored bathroom area so I can show you exactly what I do to get awesome curls with clean hair. Ta-da! Now we're in the bathroom. Haven't put anything in my hair yet, so I'm going to, I did comb it through because my curl has no pattern until I smooth it down a little bit. If I don't do this before, then my hair just looks insane and it's not a look that I'm going for. So I comb it, create my part, and the part doesn't have to be exact. I mean, it's, you know, somewhere around here-ish. Right, see how it's not straight? All good, doesn't matter. Then I start from the bottom. Clip my hair up, about halfway, like from the ear up. Clip, jaw clip. DevaCurl Light Defining Gel. That's what I got going on. For each section of hair, put about that much. So it's like a quarter size. Hair's already coming out. By the end of this video, my sink is gonna be full of stray curly hairs. You know what I'm talking about, curly girls. I know you do. So yeah, I'm just gonna slide this on, and I'm not raking my hair anymore. The comb was the last raking that I'm gonna do. Now, I'm gonna try to create long curls that are forming naturally. So, good one. That's a good one. Good. Next layer, then put that comb away because I don't need it anymore. Layer 2, I go just about temple. Pull this back. I know I just destroyed my part. I know. This one has more hair. There's more hair on each side now, so I like to go dollop on one side. Oh, got hair clumping. Dollop on one side. I just kind of want to lay it in, and then I do like to put some gel right against my skull because gel gives me a lift. Gel gives it a little lift away from the hair. So that's on this side, and then I'm going to so I straighten it out and then very gently, whoop, like as if it's a little kitten, I just cradle the curls. Curl cradling. Is that a thing? It is now. Side 2. Hair. Put a little right on my head. Yep. See how this feels. Does it feel? Feels pretty good. So this side, and then cradle. Cradle. Gently. If I actually try to like scrunch, like a lot of videos that I see, it destroys my curl and it makes them frizzy. I have to just like boop, just boop, cradle them, and that's it. All right, so that's what we got going on right now. And then we do the top. The part's still kind of there, so that's good. Good stuff. And towel. I know it's a lot of product, isn't it? Seems kind of crazy, but again, I'm gonna put some, rub it right on my head. Another thing that's good about sticking your fingers in right at the skull and moving it around a little bit is it does break up the curl right next to your skull, your head, your skin, and that does give you a little extra volume instead of being plastered straight down, because it's not a great look for curls. It's not a great look for my curls. I'll just say it that way. Gently, gently cradle. And then the other side. Yeah. Normally I do this in front of the mirror, but right now I'm doing this in front of the camera, so it's interesting. Whoop, I just raked my fingers through it. Didn't mean to. Let me go in here, just lay some of that down. Take it out. This. Good. Straighten and cradle. That's it. And then I also like to flip and cradle. Gently, gently. Now I'm gonna go about my business, get dressed, do some other stuff, and let my hair dry naturally a little bit. Then I'm gonna come back and diffuse it. I'll see you back here in about 10 minutes. I'm gonna timer it so I can tell you exactly how long. I'm back. It's been about 20 minutes, not 15, so it's time to diffuse. Waha! This is what I always do, flip it up and then check out the damage. See what I got going on over here. Cool. So what I've been going after lately is trying to figure out how to have more volume at the top. I think some of it has to do with cut. I'm gonna get my first curly, dry haircut soon, this month in November. I've never had a cut from a woman who specializes in curly hair, but we're gonna see what that's like. But this is pretty good. It's not bad, not bad, not bad. I'm liking this volume over here, it's pretty good. So now that I have this, I'm just about ready to go about my day. The one thing that I like to do before that is just put this last little softening, it's Evercurl Sculpt and Hold Cream Gel. And it just sort of seals in the curl and keeps the frizz out. It's raining today in Atlanta, so it's already a humid place. Rub, 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 rub. And then just a real light dousing. It's really more for the top than anything else. But I don't want to destroy any of my volume, so I will scrunch it up. I think I'm makeup, and I think I'm ready to rock. Ta-da! So that's it. I'm ready for work. Got my face on, got my hair did. I have one last thing. I have a question of the day for you. Curly girls, do you like your hair, your curls, on wash day or second day or third day curls? Leave it in the comments below. I'm so curious because every curly girl has a different method and situation for their hair, and I find it so fascinating. If you like this video, or even if you didn't like it or unlike it, and if you would like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.